Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into 5 secret ways to unlock the powerful benefits of putting just 1 spoonful of vinegar in your garden. Let's talk about soil pH, the secret code your plants use to tell you if they're happy or not. Soil pH is a measure of how acidic or alkaline your soil is, and it can greatly affect plant health. Different plants like different types of soil. Some thrive in acidic conditions, while others do better in alkaline environments. For instance, blueberries and azaleas love acidic soil, while lavender and rosemary prefer it more alkaline. Vinegar is acidic, so if you have soil that's too alkaline, vinegar can help bring it down to a level your plants will love. It's a simple and natural way to adjust your soil's pH. Use just 1 spoonful of vinegar mixed with a gallon of water. This solution is easy to make and apply. This diluted solution is gentle enough for your plants, but powerful enough to make a difference in your soil's pH balance. Regularly testing and adjusting your soil's pH can lead to healthier, more vibrant plants. By adjusting the pH level with a little bit of vinegar, you can ensure your plants are getting the right nutrients from the soil. You're creating an environment where they can thrive and reach their full potential. Happy plants mean a happy garden, and it all starts with the right soil pH balance. So take the time to test your soil and make the necessary adjustments. Your plants will thank you with lush growth and beautiful blooms. Remember, the secret to happy plants lies in the balance of your soil's pH. Happy gardening! Tired of those pesky weeds popping up and stealing the show from your beautiful plants? Weeds can be a persistent problem, but there's a simple, natural solution. Vinegar is a natural weed killer that can banish those unwanted invaders from your garden for good. It's an eco-friendly alternative to chemical herbicides. Vinegar's acidic nature disrupts their cell membranes, essentially drying them out from the inside out. This process is effective and safe for the environment. For best results, use undiluted white vinegar. The higher the acidity, the more effective it will be in killing weeds. Apply it directly to the leaves of the weeds you want to eliminate. Make sure to cover the entire plant for maximum effectiveness. With a little patience and some carefully aimed vinegar sprays, you'll start to see results in just a few days. You'll have a weed-free garden in no time. Remember, consistency is key. Reapply as needed to keep those pesky weeds at bay. Let's face it, as much as we love our gardens, they can sometimes feel like an all-you-can-eat buffet for pesky insects. Vinegar is also a powerful pest repellent. Vinegar's strong smell sends bugs running for the hills. Mix equal parts water and white vinegar in a spray bottle for a powerful, all-natural pest repellent. Spray this mixture around the perimeter of your garden and on individual plants targeted by pests. Say goodbye to those annoying ants, pesky aphids, and destructive slugs. Get ready for this, because this next benefit of vinegar is a game changer. Vinegar can enhance the growth of your plants. Add a tablespoon of vinegar to a gallon of water and use this solution to water your acid-loving plants once a month. The vinegar will help to lower the pH of the soil, making it easier for these plants to absorb nutrients. When your plants can access nutrients more efficiently, they grow bigger, stronger, and healthier. Gardening can be a dirty job, and our tools often take the brunt of it. Over time, dirt, grime, and even rust can build up, making them less effective and harder to use. Vinegar is a lifesaver when it comes to keeping our tools in tip-top shape. It's a natural, non-toxic cleaner that can tackle even the toughest grime. For a quick clean, simply wipe down your tools with a cloth soaked in undiluted white vinegar. This will remove surface dirt and grime, leaving your tools looking almost new. For tougher jobs like removing rust, vinegar is still your best friend. Soak your tools in a bath of undiluted white vinegar for a few hours or even overnight. This will help to loosen and dissolve the rust, making it easier to scrub off. Vinegar is completely safe for your tools and won't damage them like harsh chemicals can. It's an eco-friendly solution that's gentle yet effective. Unlike harsh chemicals, vinegar won't corrode the metal or weaken the integrity of your tools. So next time your garden tools need a good clean, reach for the vinegar. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gardening secrets. Happy gardening! Now go out there and unleash the power of vinegar in your own garden.